Hey everyone, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. Uh, I'm not recording anything about a car today, the 57 or the 66, but I'm kind of issuing a challenge to uh, Diff at Rat Rods for Africa. I want to see how Diff makes biltong. I use my Biltonginator 3000, which a biltong box, or this particular one, it has air comes in here, goes through gauze to keep the bugs out, and if you get any, and then it has a fan that draws air through the box. And what is biltong? Biltong is a South African, it's beef or ostrich or venison, I guess, and they dry it kind of like our American beef jerky, but it's not smoked. American beef jerky is smoked. This is just dried. And what you do to cure it is you put it in vinegar. I soak it in vinegar, this brown spirit vinegar, 5% acidity, Safari brand, which is a South African brand. I soak it in that for about 2.5 hours, and then I coat it liberally with Safari brand Biltong seasoning. And I just use a spoon and I sprinkle it liberally over the meat and let the meat set for another couple hours. And then I hang it in the biltong box. And I use these little plastic, well, they're paper clips is what they are, to help hang them up. So, but Diff, my wife, is South African, and she likes biltong. So I've been making her biltong, but buddy, I'd like to see how you make your biltong. And so I'm issuing you a challenge. If you do make biltong, show us how you do it. Take it easy. Thanks for watching.